Hi, my name is Taline Sarian, and today we're gonna make summer wine leaves dolma. So we needed 3.5 cup onion, and we're gonna mix 1 glass of rice, we're gonna put dill, we chop it already, so food processor with it, and now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon dry mint, and half teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Half teaspoon salt, and 1 cup oil. You can put virgin oil, you can put vegetable oil. It's totally up to you. Now you're gonna mix it. Before you start making the dolma, first you have to cover underneath with a leaf so it doesn't stuck together. Of course, summertime, if you do it, leaves get more tastier. Now we're gonna start to make a dolma. Now you're gonna put some and you try to cover it here and there. Then you're gonna roll it. You will get another one. You can make it this one with the meat. You can make it different stuff, you can put it, but I prefer this one. This is grape leaf, but you don't know how it's gonna come out. You try to get the best one, but what can we do?
And do you remember when you first learned this dish?
When I did?
Yeah, or when you first made it?
Oh my goodness, almost 30 years ago I did here. Before my mother, she used to make over there in Istanbul. But when we move here, she start doing here. 12 years ago, I used to work the YMCA school as a teacher helper. And I used to teach the kids craft so they can learn how to make this stuff, and take it home. When I get a little bit older, I say I better stay home and cook for my kids. That's it. Before you put on the oven, you're gonna put half a lemon and 1 glass of hot water. It will cook almost 15-20 minutes. Depends, lips are tender. If it's little bit hard, it will take maybe half an hour. After that, you have to cool it down. You eat cool, not the warm one. This is not a meat dolma. This is for the appetizer. So I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. So now we're gonna go oven and we're gonna put it there on the oven so it will cook. Half a lemon. We're gonna squeeze it. 1 cup plain water, you're gonna put it. And now I'm gonna cover with a parchment paper because I don't have enough leaf. If you have enough leaf, you can cover it with a leaf. And the top of that, you have to replace the plate so it doesn't come. And cover it. Now we already opened the oven, so it's gonna cook 20 minutes. You see our dolmas, we already cook half an hour because the leaves was a little bit tougher than normal, so half an hour. Now it's cool already, so we plate it and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Silva.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make mantı.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for mantı.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Enjoy.